bienvenue, welcome in Cabaret, oh Cabaret, to Cabaret. Leave your troubles outside.
Life is a cabaret, as they'll tell you at the Kit Kat Club. And in 3 exclusive dinner theater performances this weekend, the city's resident community theater company is transporting you to 1930s Berlin in their presentation of Cabaret.
And now presenting the toast of Mayfair, Berline, Sally Bowles!
My name is Jessica Beal, and I will be playing the role of Sally Bowles in Cabaret with the Pentucket Players. Sally's always been a dream role, so I'm very lucky to have landed that part. Sally is she's a survivor. You know, she's always thinking of her next move that will help her. She lives kind of in her own little world. You'll see all of the tough subjects occurring, and she's kind of just like, that doesn't have anything to do with us.
A pineapple for you, from you.
With Cabaret, we saw it back in 2001, the '98 revival, and then we saw it again in 2014 with Alan Cumming, and it was just amazing. And you know, a lot of people sort of shy away from Cabaret because of the storyline and what it involves Nazi Germany, but it's a very entertaining show.
This show is gritty. That's the difference, okay? It takes place on one set. It's written that way. The setting really is not important because the emphasis is on the characters and the story.
I need something inexpensive.
Oh, this is inexpensive. Very inexpensive.
I don't care if it's awful, as long as it's cheap.
This is awful. You will love it.
I play Ernst Ludwig. He's the, well, I can't really say because he's got a secret. He's the charming bad guy, which is kind of fun because you don't know he's a bad guy. I won't say why, but you don't know he's got a secret, and he's very charming to begin with.
I am Jimmy Murphy, and my role is Victor, the Kit Kat Club dancer. I'm one of the Kit Kat Club boys.
My name is Corey Cocciaro, and I am playing Bobby, the other Kit Kat Club boy. Depending on who it is you ask, we're the reason that people show up, you see.
So this is my second production with Pentucket, and I love it. It's like a family here. Everyone's there for each other, and you know, we all help each other out. We run lines, we work on dances together, we rehearse songs together.
We are now the only resident community theater company in the city of Haverhill. So that's kind of exciting. And we've been performing at Haverhill City Hall, that we've moved into as our permanent home. And then in the summer, we're at Bradford Country Club.
Life is a cabaret, old chum. Come to the cabaret. And as for me,
Cabaret will be presented at Bradford Country Club on July 13th, 14th, and 15th. It's cabaret style. Everyone is seated at tables. You know, they do a meal before the show. It's a dinner theater. Both the prime rib, the combined ticket, and the show ticket can be bought online on our website. We have a 10-piece orchestra that sounds fabulous. It's air conditioned. It's a great way to spend a summer night.
It's just fabulous. So come see the show.
I hope that you make it to Cabaret, July 13th, 14th, and 15th.
Come see the show, come see me, and more of this. Right here. Ah, the pan. Perfect.